A honeymoon is your opportunity to relax alone together. Having some personal time away from your busy schedule and daily life interruptions will enable you to connect with your partner and enjoy each other's presence. Wading in pools of champagne and getting lost in each other's eyes, a honeymoon is like a blue lagoon, divinely beautiful, with a mimicry of all heaven in its deeps, blinding sweet in the sun, and almost intolerably comfortable in the moon. The sand may brush off, and the salt may wash away, but the memories will last forever. So, let's start to find the most awesome place for amazing memories. Hawaii. No matter which island you visit, there are plenty of beautiful and remote beaches just waiting for you to explore. Features some of the best white sand beaches in the world, fine and upscale dining, beautiful landscapes and waterfalls, and just about anything you can dream of. If you and your partner love seclusion from large crowds and relaxing on a top-rated beach, the Big Island is for you. It's about 2,300 miles from San Francisco, the closest major city from the mainland. The temperature is tropical and sunny year-round, with temperatures that average 78 degrees Fahrenheit in winter and 85 degrees Fahrenheit in summer. Located in Italy's heel, Puglia has long been a well-kept secret, guarded by the natives as their personal holiday spot. With its hot summers, fantastic beaches, wonderful seafood, and increasing number of chic hotels, it's the place to go. And, with regular UK flights to Bari in the north and Brindisi in the south, it's now very easy to get to. This is undoubtedly a super romantic experience to live in too. Puglia offers a long list of spectacular outdoor activities, which include boat ride in the coves of the fantastic Polignano a Mare or a bike ride or make excursions to get to know the main churches and artistic monument. From vibrant night markets to romantic walks, Bali has everything to offer. Bali is one of the best places for honeymoon holidays. It is not only a romantic place, but a scenic place as well where you can do some unusual and cool things. Try water sports, go snorkeling, swim at beach and visit temple, or dine in a cave with a romantic setting. To have a romantic escape in the tropical gateway of the Maldives. That is a heaven for newlyweds and couples. Filled with coral reefs and marine beauty, Maldives is the ideal getaway for a honeymoon vacation. Floating on the translucent waters, Maldives is a divine paradise for a perfect honeymoon getaway from the daily humdrum of city life. With attractions unparalleled. Andaman is a place truly made out of bliss, and a paradise to those who seek serenity in the laps of nature. Explore the white shimmering beaches and walk hand in hand with your beloved or simply allow yourself to relax. The Andaman Islands offers the most amazing water sports in entire India, which ranges from snorkeling, scuba diving and kayaking. A couple's getaway is incomplete without exploring the enchanting beauty of Andaman, which is decorated with scenic wonders, crystal clear waters, coconut groves, shimmering white sand beaches and many more. Andaman has a moderate climate, and one can visit it at any time during the year. But the best time to plan a honeymoon in Andaman is from October to May. Thanks for watching the video and do like and subscribe. Happy traveling!